Let's take a look at the solar animal repeller. It's an animal deterrent with motion sensor and flashing lights. Here you can see the unboxing process. Let me open the box and see how it looks. First, we have a booklet describing the different feature set of the animal repeller. It comes in two languages. One is English, and I'm not sure about the other one. It also comes with a USB charging cable. So interestingly, this animal repeller can be powered by solar power outside or can be charged inside and then placed outside as well. It has these stake that can be used to put it in the ground, as well as the main unit here in the box. The stakes are wrapped in the plastic wrapping so they don't scratch during shipping. You can connect the two short stakes using this connector, and you can add this pointer at one end to put it inside the ground. The main solar repeller is packed in plastic. So this solar repeller works with 360-degree angle. It has three different sections of the light and the motion sensor detector. It has a place to put in the USB charger at the bottom, right where the stake goes. You can see inside the pin is there. You can charge it that way, or you can place the stake at the bottom and then put it outside in sun to charge it using solar energy as well. Once this is in place, it has been charged enough. You can press the button at the bottom right there to turn it on and off. Once it's on and charged enough, it can detect motion in your lawn. And as animals come within the specified range, they will get alerted using the ultrasonic sounds as well as the motion lights and might get scared away. It repels anything from birds to animals like snakes and squirrels in your yard, and is powered by both solar as well as USB. It has a distance of about 10 meters that it can detect motion in. So this has been a look at the solar animal repeller. It is a 360-degree animal repellent and throws light and ultrasonic sound to scare away the animals and birds in your yard and protects it from damage.